Hey guys, it is just past 11 o'clock at night and I was just about to go to bed, but as luck would have it, Iodine has just decided to wake up. You can see her up there on the shelf. She seems to be keeping very still, not sure what that's all about. This is a little late for her to wake up. Normally she's awake around about 8, half past 8, and she seems to be quite regular with her wake up times, so it's a little unusual that she would stay in bed for this long, but since she is up, we are going to get on with one of her taming sessions. So since bringing Iodine home, we haven't done any proper taming sessions with her. She was given a couple of days to settle in with no human contact when she first came home, always the hardest part of bringing home a new hamster. And after that, we have just been chatting to her every time we see her awake, just talking to her, saying her name, saying hello to her, and just getting her used to the sound of our voice and getting her used to seeing us outside of her cage. By the way, in case you guys don't know what taming method I use for my hamsters, for the vast majority of them I use the method that I made a video on a few years back, and I will link that down below in case you're interested in seeing the full thing. So for this session I don't plan on doing anything new with her. I just want to continue getting her used to my presence and my voice, and of course you can hear me talking now. That was such a cute stretch. Personally, I consider the trust building steps at the beginning of taming to be the most important part of the whole process, because they are really what's going to help cement a strong bond between you and your hamster. So I certainly don't want to be rushing through these steps or jumping onto the next one too soon. I want to make sure she is as trusting of me as she possibly can be before we move on. The fact that she is very comfortable with me being so close to her and she's comfortable to eat and clean with me around is a really good sign. And another adorable stretch from her. She stretches so much. But I'm seeing some really good signs from her that she is happy with me being here, happy with me talking, and so I think she's going to be ready to move on to the next step, probably within the next couple of days, if not tomorrow. We may see how she is then and see if we can move on with it. But for now, I'm very happy with the progress she's making. Iodine is so hyped up and excited right now. I just refilled her vegetable crate. Oh, it's that little stretch! And she's just been stuffing her face with veggies. I have been introducing them slowly, don't you guys worry. So I've got myself a yogurt drop now, and I'm gonna see if she'll come and take it from me. So I'm not gonna go right up to her. Don't want to get into her personal space. No, not interested. Just leave it there a bit longer, see if she comes back. I think she's too interested in the vegetables. I'm gonna try again with a different treat, just in case it is just disinterest in the yogurt drops. I've got one of the apple flavoured complete crocs. Look at her, she's so cute. Let's see if that piques her curiosity. No, it seems she's totally disinterested today. I might leave it then. Oh, that wasn't safe. I might leave it for now and try again later. You silly thing. For everyone who thinks that hamsters can't climb though, they are really quite nimble creatures, especially Syrians. They are very much able. She's so cute. Look at this daring little monster. Trying to escape. Whoa, whoa. Can't do this one-handed. Well, I suppose that's one way of getting her used to me. Oh, bless. She's so cute. No. Okay. Right, smart thing to do. I've got a light on the cage this time, so hopefully you can actually see what's going on. So there is little Princess Iodine. She was just running about on a wheel, and now if she goes into bed, don't go to bed. Not right now, not now that I've taken the camera out. I made a new batch of protein cookies today, so I'm gonna see if this will pique her interest. What's this? What's that, huh? No, not sure. I swear, right before every taming session, she makes sure to fill her belly up with food, so she's not interested in anything I'm offering. You found yourself a little hiding spot. Huh? A little hiding place. Hi. Hi there. Whoop. Hi. You're so cute. The one thing Iodine has made very, very clear to us over the last couple of weeks is that she is very energetic. She has a lot of energy in her. She's a very busy, very active hamster. I decided yesterday to actually take her out using her little travel cage and popped her into the bathroom, which is of course a hamster-proofed area, and just let her have a run around there with a couple of toys, and she just did not know what to do with herself. She was so pleased to have all that space, and she was a little bit gutted when it came to going back into her cage, but it did seem to wear her out at least, and she slept for quite a long time last night. Yesterday I had success trying to give her some flaxseed, so I'm going to see if I can get her to be interested again, although I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get to her up there. She pushed herself into that corner. Hey! Come here. Don't want to freak you out, but look! Flax! You like this? You do? Come over here and have a look. I promise you'll like it. It's nice. That's the key. She loves the flaxseed. I love the way they just sort of vacuum up seeds. You're a good little cleaner, aren't you? And she's all 4 paws onto my hand. I tell you one thing, I forget how cold Syrian feet are. Anyone else find that? My dwarves never have cold feet, my Syrians though. Always cold toes. She's actually licking my hand. I can feel her tongue. That's so weird. You're such an oddball, aren't you? Yeah, I'm gonna have no chance of getting her attention now. She's just found her veggie bowl for the night. And she's got a few new things in there. She's got broccoli, she's got peas, and then she's got her usual shredded lettuce and carrot in there as well. So she's very happy. You just see those cheeks filling up. I love it. You're such a chubby thing, aren't you? Oh, there's also a porridge in there as well. I've forgotten about that. I'm gonna actually give her a small dish of just porridge, I think, tomorrow, and see what she thinks. Just trying to introduce her to as many new foods as possible. Obviously not too quickly because that might upset her stomach. But help her to find, oh yeah, and pasta. I really forgot what I gave you today. That is definitely going down a treat though. I like to get them into lots of new foods though. Give them as varied a diet as possible. I don't know where she's taking that. I'm not sure where she's decided to hoard things. I originally thought it was in the other back corner, but it seems to be in this one. No? Where are you taking that? Oh, straight to bed. She is so cute. Right, well I guess we're gonna call it a night for tonight then. Hi there. Got all that poop around you. I think I need to give your cage another clean. You've made it a big mess, haven't you? Yet another stretch. She's stretched about 12 times in the last 15-20 minutes already. Starting to think it may actually be a behavioural tic rather than, you know, just a stretch. See, there's another one. She just does not stop. She seems a bit twitchy tonight, more so than she has been. A little more wary of me, and another stretch. Oh. Hey. Gonna try the flax again, it's been so successful. Let's hope it carries on. Wait, that's naughty, what you doing? There you go. Look at that. Oh no, you're just using me to get places, aren't you? Still, it's a good sign. Yeah, I wonder if she would try to get on my hand without the flax. Wonder if she's ready for that yet. She doesn't even care about my hand. There we go. Ooh, ooh. There we go. So Iodine is starting this evening totally confused because the front of her cage is missing. I was hoping she wasn't going to wake up right now because I'm doing some minor maintenance on her cage. Unfortunately, John rammed his nose into one of the Perspex panels and you can see there left a big crack in it. So now I have to fix that. Why couldn't you stay asleep? You've been asleep all day. You haven't had a peep out of you. And now you wake up? Really? I'm hoping if I leave her long enough, she might just go back to bed for a little bit longer. I was also spot cleaning her cage as well, so there's basically nothing in it. The shelves have all been cleaned down and she's not got much to do. And I'm a little concerned that she's gonna try and make a break for it. Oh yeah, and you guys have probably also noticed this bare corner here where there's no sticky stuff on it anymore. Yeah, that got damaged when the cage got broken and it all just got ripped up along this edge. So I tried to take it off without removing too much and I took off an entire corner. Not the best plan in the world. I will have to buy some more sticky stuff to cover it over and fix it. Stretch it. I'm gonna have to do a compilation of you stretching. You just stretch too much. She's getting a lot more confident with my hand now. There isn't much hesitation for her to come over and see what I've got. You can definitely see a massive increase in her confidence with me. She is so comfortable to come over and just munch out of my hand now, and really comfortable to sit on my hand as well. I haven't properly tried just holding her and passing her from hand to hand like I do with my tamed hamsters, but that's definitely coming soon. I think she's going to make some real good progress over the next couple of weeks. However, there may be a slight setback because next week I am out of the country and I'm having a pet sitter take care of her, who I am not expecting to try and handle her, of course, but that means she's going to have a week with no interaction. I don't think it's going to do anything bad, but it's just going to mean that taming might take just a little tiny bit longer. Any chance you'll let me stroke you? Hello? Too interested in washing. I don't want to touch her while she's washing because I feel like she might not be prepared and it might spook her. Hello? Can I touch you? No? No. Not quite ready for being stroked yet. Are you having a good scratch or are you scent marking? Because that looked like a really good scratch right there. Are you going back to bed now? Can I finish fixing your cage, please? Yes? No, you're just gonna have a little dig. Oh, I love the way they dig. If you're gonna escape, you've got to escape on my hand. That's the rule. Oh, 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 she's kind of thinking about it. Maybe. Nope. Come on, you know you want to. See? I'm not gonna get you. Look at that. Look at you, you big brave thing. Yay, all 4 feet. You're being very brave. I'm very proud of you right now. There you go. Whoop. And again. No? Yeah. She seems to have turned this into some kind of game now. On the hand and off the hand. Oh, no, 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 you're gonna try and jump. Okay. No, no, no. You can't be on the floor, there's lots of dangerous things out at the minute. Woo! On the hand, and off the hand. Oh, she's so fluffy. She's so incredibly soft. Hello, you gorgeous little princess. How are you feeling this evening? I'm going to try and start you off with something different tonight. How about a complete crock? What do you think of this? Hello, I have a thing for you. Focus. What do you think of that, huh? No? Really? I'm feeling brave. I'm going to try something different tonight. Something that isn't flax. We're going to try giving her vegetables. Because she loves these things. Oh, there we go. Straight in. I mean, I don't mind feeding her the flax. It's a healthy treat. But I feel like every day is overdoing it a little. Oh, what have you just heard? That was potassium. I think he's just woken up. He's making lots of digging sounds. Are you sure you don't want a bit more? Very brave around my hand. Just a little bit? No. Okay.